Did you know a father once had to sacrifice his own daughter because of a promise he made to God? This is the tragic story of Jephthah, a mighty warrior of Israel. Before going to battle against the Ammonites, he made a dangerous vow. He promised God that if he won the war, he would sacrifice whatever came out of his house first to greet him. God gave Jephthah a crushing victory. The Ammonites were completely defeated. Jephthah marched home triumphantly with his army, but then horror struck. His only daughter ran out of the house, dancing with tambourines to celebrate his victory. The moment Jephthah saw her, he tore his clothes in despair. He realized he had to kill his own child to keep his sacred promise. His daughter responded with incredible courage. She asked for just 2 months to go to the mountains with her friends to mourn that she would never marry or have children. After 2 months, Jephthah kept his vow. From that day forward, Israelite women remembered this tragedy by mourning for Jephthah's daughter 4 days every year.